cheating continues the Dawood translation of Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, all that is in the heavens and the earth gives glory to Allah. His is the sovereignty and His the glory. He has power over all things. It was He that created you, yet some of you are unbelievers, while others have faith. Allah is cognizant of all your actions. He created the heavens and the earth to manifest the truth, and fashioned you into a comely shape. To Him you shall all return. He knows what the heavens and the earth contain. He knows all that you hide and all that you reveal. Allah knows your inmost thoughts. Have you not heard of those who disbelieved before you? They tasted the fruit of their unbelief, and grievous punishment is yet in store for them. That is because when their apostles brought them veritable signs, they said, "Shall mortals be our guides?" They disbelieved and gave no heed, but Allah was in no need of them. Allah is self-sufficient and glorious. The unbelievers claim they shall not be raised to life. Say yes, by the Lord, you shall assuredly be raised to life. Then you shall be told of all that you have done, and that is easy for Allah. Believe in Allah and in His apostle and in the light which we have revealed. Allah has knowledge of all your actions. The day on which He will assemble you, the day on which you shall all be gathered, that shall be a day of cheating. Those that believed in Allah and do what is right shall be forgiven their sins and admitted to gardens watered by running streams, where they shall dwell forever. That is the supreme triumph. But those that disbelieve and deny our revelations shall be the inmates of the fire, and shall abide therein forever. An evil fate, no misfortune befalls except by Allah's will. He guides the hearts of those who believe in Him. Allah has knowledge of all things. Obey Allah and obey the apostle. If you give no heed, our apostle's duty is but to proclaim the message plainly. Allah, there is no God but Him. In Allah, let the faithful put their trust. Believers, you have an enemy in your spouses and in your children. Beware of them. But if you overlook their offenses and forgive and pardon them, then know that Allah is forgiving and merciful. Your wealth and your children are but a temptation. Allah's reward is great. Therefore fear Allah with all your hearts and be attentive, obedient, and charitable. That will be best for you. Those that preserve themselves from their own greed will surely prosper. If you give a generous loan to Allah, He will pay you back twofold and will forgive you. Gracious is Allah, the benignant. He has knowledge of the unknown and the manifest. He is the mighty, the wise one. And the day of cheating, the mutual defrauding. The blessed will take over the places of the damned, and the places of the damned will be, of the blessed in the hell will be taken over by the damned. And Dowie says that's the understanding. Well, one of the things that we find is the reference to good deeds being taken. If you've wronged others, that is taken from you in a good degree, when it comes down to it. So that's one of the aspects about that too.